check this thing out. This was like the second best garden tractor Craftsman ever sold. This is a Craftsman Deluxe DGT6000. It is awesome, and it's mine, at least temporarily so. I'm going to fix this one up and resell it, but I actually bought some parts off. I bought it because of the accessories that it came with, but I got a heck of a deal on it. I'm going to do a walk around on this thing and show it off. If you're not familiar with the Deluxe Garden Tractor line, it was like Craftsman's, seriously, top of the line. One of the best ones they made. This one has a Kohler 27 horsepower engine in it, 4.5 gallon gas tank. Something you may notice right off the bat, and it may be hard to see here, but the tires are bigger than your average garden tractor tires. Most come with 23 by 10s. These are 24 by 12s in the rear. 24 by 12 by 12s, man, so they're monstrous. And the fronts are also, instead of, I think, what is it, 8s, I think these are 10s up front. So, just incredible. Just a great mower. 54-inch deck on this. And just cool. You'll see some features of why I say this was their second best. The best mower that Craftsman had, they only had it out for 1 year, I think it was in 2012, was actually based on a Simplicity. This one is not based on Simplicity, but this one is pretty hardcore. It's pretty tough. It does have a hydro gear, I think it is, transmission, tougher than a Tough Torque. So this is the equivalent of somewhere between a K66 and a K72 transmission. This one has a ton of hours on it, but it actually runs and drives like a dream. The brakes need to be adjusted. That's the only thing that needs to get done on this thing. So I'm really impressed with it. Take a look around the back. Now, it did have a sleeve hitch on it. I've gone ahead and removed it. It also had something on the front that I'll show you in another video. Main reason I picked it up. Look at how wide those tires are. That's the whole reason that this thing was considered super top of line. A real heavy duty hydro static transmission, monstrous big tires. This one also had wheel weights on it, but I'm saving those as well. Here's the model number for you. Get down there to it. Yeah, looks like it's a 98 model maybe. And I went ahead and filled it up. This just shows you, like, the steering wheel is simulated leather wrapped. I mean, that's what's wild about it. But check it out. How many garden tractors do you come across that have an hour meter, an amp meter, and an RPM gauge? That's right. This thing has RPMs, which I just thought is the coolest thing ever. I mean, totally not necessary, but very cool. Now, it does have 750 hours on it, man. This thing got a lot of use. It was used as a garden tractor, not as a mower. But I was able to get the deck and put it all back together again, sharpen the blades, get it ready, anti-scalping blades and everything like that. So let me go ahead and pop the hood here and check it out. Kohler 27 horsepower Pro. And this is one that's got the room for the battery upgrade. If you want to do that on one of these, you have the room for a full-size battery. Really nicely kept, no leaks. 750 hours, no leaks on this thing. Just look at it. And well maintained. You can see it's got a relatively new oil filter. Just amazing. Come around to this side here. Yeah, just clean all the way around. Nice unit. Yeah. So anyway, I will probably play with this thing for another month or two, but I'll sell it, well, assuming we're not all under quarantine, I'll sell it here in a month or two, you know, right as the mowing season starts up here. And somebody will hopefully get a lot of years of use out of this thing, or they'll put another sleeve hitch on it and use it for whatever, you know, use it as a garden tractor, use it what it was made to do. Do have a set of chains I'm gonna be throwing in for it. Just incredible, man, just incredible. But if you're ever interested in Craftsman garden tractors, this is probably one of the top of the line. You know, this is one you would want to seek out. They did make these with manual transmissions as well, the high-low gear, 3 and 3 high-low. But this one had the preferred hydrostatic transmission, and it's just really nice. Seat is super padded, nice thick steering wheel, just a great riding mower. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing, because there'll be many more tractor videos this spring and summer. So take care.